series Infinix, Samsung, Itel, Tecno. Now Ghana here. Video me chiro kwan and say tips are bedding with the increase phone performance and so is ukoto phone na the performance is different. Now we load the phone and so we install apps go so our phone also performance is different. But when you install the apps na go so no. So video me ma two tips. Mama wa set things are be ya. Eba bo ma we no phone no performance I say mono na anya de on set so na so onye so hwe. The first of all, you say they say but like video we now subscribe to this channel. And second step you say obey the follow video we carefully. Now I dey where the one video now see. Say the bebo my the ultimate the bebo my the ultimate is a trick we very well. Now obenya tiase so. First trick I saw you they say obey the uboko farm manager, farm manager na. Farm manager now ko. Oba we picky applications our phone so anya dey. Use and I say games our phone so on bono. I space no I the delete no. Say the bed we storage no bed be free am I side I increase your phone performance. Now say our phone say charger man use so am my phone hit. Then be my phone hit ya and also to my phone here dey run through. Now second one I say oboko gallery. O gallery no maybe pictures and I say we pictures oko file gallery pictures and I say music and I say ni also onye den o twa onpe why do I delete na temporary files be a wo phones be na why they wa delete ko recycle be na pictures or why they wa delete you delete we are so it why they abo ma increase your phone performance na set a last settings na make us me the mount any last one oboko settings now over settings and now developer options developer options now. Now open we enable developer options now by the say icon search icon. But search icon so now developer boom say developer options now they have. Now I don't turning on. Eba no turn on. Last one you be say we know about running services. Running services no. Now applications are on the use so they or higher run it be now I dey. Waboso why dey we no I dey no waboso no I dey wa stop on with my stop on I see oh was with my dey stop on o stop na be dey then be my phone I performance na dey I increase na wa scrub down over down so bo hunu o na akwa settings we na that to the 5 you know animations na that to 5 add that to 5 2 where we are now quit the phone we work quit now about home see now I reset to phone udum phone now so be bomb my phone id we ubutu na ba we say be take effect our phone so phone best at id around fast see before no so yes I trick we na anya aduma wo dey bra comment section ho na be dey comment o comment to say anya aduma na me hu say we comment na anya aduma ma sa hu we trick and send their baba with my boy I improve phone settings and I say boy my why improve phone performance no follow top image on Facebook ko YouTube ko subscribe on the tips are ebe boy wa be the way you phone so and I say boy use device anya den umbre ko now ideas person make money so with my don't forget to subscribe to official top image. Bye for now.